This 12 inches stone frying pan by Ozeri has become a real helper in my home. It makes cooking so much easier. The stone-derived non-stick coating is amazing. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. I've cooked everything from eggs to chicken in this pan. Nothing sticks, and it cooks evenly. This 12 inches stone frying pan by Ozeri feels sturdy and well made. It's a great addition to any kitchen, and it saves me time during the week. The non-stick surface of the 12 inches stone frying pan by Ozeri is truly impressive. It's made without harmful chemicals like APEO and PFOA. This gives me peace of mind when I'm cooking for my family. The pan heats up quickly and evenly, so my food cooks perfectly every time. I can even use less oil, which makes my meals healthier. Storing it in the cupboard is easy because it's not too bulky. If you're looking for a reliable frying pan, this is it. The 12 inches stone frying pan by Ozeri offers great capability for everyday cooking. It's durable and easy to use, and it cleans up in a snap. I haven't had any issues with sticking, even with delicate foods like fish. It's a fantastic pan that makes cooking less of a chore and more enjoyable. I highly recommend adding this to your home. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick perfection, from Germany, scratch resistant, easy to clean, durable aluminum. Induction ready, even heating, food safe, eco-friendly, no toxic fumes. Cons: may lose non-stick over time, can take longer to heat up, need to use with lower heat, avoid. Metal utensils, some say not fully PTFE free. Honeycomb pattern can trap oil, uneven oil spreading possible. Assembly in China, coating might not be pure ceramic, some users reported. Cracking features: 12-inch size, stone frying pan, made by Ozeri, non-stick coating, stone-derived, APEO free, PFOA free, from Germany, easy to clean, durable design. This 12-inch frying pan from Ozeri is made with a non-stick coating that comes from stone and is made in Germany. The pan is designed to be easy to clean and is durable, so it should last a while. It's also made without APEO and PFOA, which are chemicals that some people are concerned about. This means the pan aims to be a safe choice for cooking. This Ozeri 12 inches frying pan is made with a non-stick coating from Germany that doesn't use harmful chemicals. It's designed to be scratch resistant and easy to clean, made with strong aluminum, and can be used on induction stoves for even heating. It's considered food safe and eco-friendly, producing no toxic fumes. However, the non-stick might wear out over time, and it could take a little longer to heat up, needing lower cooking temperatures and avoiding metal tools. The honeycomb pattern might trap oil and spread it unevenly. Although assembled in China, some people question if the coating is pure ceramic, and a few users have reported the pan cracking.